Just landed in Budapest and wondering how to get to the city center without spending too much? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the cheapest and easiest way to get from Budapest airport to city center. If you're curious about other options like express buses, taxis, or airport shuttles, check out my other video that compares all the main ways to reach the city. As mentioned in the previous video, the cheapest way to get from Budapest airport to the city center is by using bus 200E, followed by a transfer to the M3 metro line at Budapest station. The total journey usually takes around 40 to 50 minutes, depending on the time of day and where exactly you're getting off in the city. Bus 200E runs 24/7, even during the night. But here's the catch, the metro doesn't operate at night. If your flight arrives late, you'll need to switch to night buses instead, like lines 914, 914A, 950, or 950A from HUT or other transfer points. For this journey, you'll need a valid BKK ticket, that's the Budapest public transport system. The most practical ticket is the 90-minute transfer ticket, which costs 850 HUF, or about €2.20. It allows unlimited transfers within that 90-minute window, and it covers both the bus and metro. But there's a catch, this specific transfer ticket can't be purchased from the ticket machines at the airport. You'll need to buy it through the Budapest Go mobile app, which I highly recommend downloading in advance. If you prefer using the machines, you can buy two single tickets instead, one for the bus and one for the metro. Each costs 500 HUF, around €1.30, so the total is 1,000 HUF, or about €2.60, a bit more expensive and less convenient. Planning to use public transport more often during your stay? Then a 24-hour travel card might be your best option. It's valid for all BKK services, including airport routes, and costs 2,750 HUF, which is roughly €7.10. Now let's talk about how to get from the arrival hall to the bus 200E. Budapest Airport has two terminals, Terminal 2A and Terminal 2B. Let's start with Terminal 2A. After you land, you'll exit the arrivals area through these doors and follow the signs for public transport. Step outside the terminal and turn right. As you walk, you'll pass by ticket machines where you can buy public transport tickets. Then stop at the first bus stop, this is where bus 200E picks you up. If you want to check when the next bus is coming, just walk a little further ahead, there's an electronic information board showing departure times. But be careful! That area is also the stop for the 100E express bus, which is much more expensive and doesn't accept regular BKK tickets. Now let's move on to Terminal 2B. After exiting the baggage claim area, head outside in front of the terminal. Once you're outside, turn left and keep walking straight. On your right-hand side, you'll see ticket machines where you can buy public transport tickets. Just a bit further ahead, there's an electronic departure board showing upcoming buses. Right there, you'll find two bus stops. The first one is for the 100E Airport Express bus. Remember, regular BKK tickets are not valid for this one. The next stop, just a few steps away, is for bus 200E, the cheapest way to get to the city center. But what are all the different ways to buy tickets? We'll cover that in the next video, so stay tuned. If you're looking for more travel tips and ways to save money on the road, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate a like, it means a lot.